Hello, educators. Today I'm diving into something incredibly important but often overlooked: building strong character in our students. It's Lesson 1. Prioritize character development. Proverbs teaches us that wisdom, discipline, and understanding are the foundation of life. And as teachers, we have the unique opportunity to instill these values in our students. Think of it as planting seeds that will grow into resilient, morally grounded adults. So, why is character development so crucial? Well, academics are important, but character shapes how students apply their knowledge and navigate the world. It's about fostering empathy, integrity, and resilience. These are the qualities that prepare them for success beyond the classroom. Let's start with wisdom. Wisdom isn't just about knowing facts, it's about understanding life. Encourage your students to ask questions, to be curious, and to seek deeper understanding. Use real-world examples, stories, and discussions that challenge them to think critically and ethically. Next, discipline. It's more than just following rules. It's about self-control and perseverance. Set high expectations, but also support your students in meeting them. Teach them the value of hard work and the importance of staying committed even when things get tough. Celebrate not just their successes, but their efforts and improvements. And finally, understanding. This is about empathy and the ability to see things from different perspectives. Create a classroom environment that encourages kindness and respect. Use group projects and discussions to foster a sense of community and mutual respect. Teach your students to listen actively and to appreciate the diverse views and experiences of others. Remember, character development isn't a one-time lesson, it's a continuous process. Integrate these values into your daily interactions and curriculum. Be a role model for your students, demonstrating wisdom, discipline, and understanding in your own actions. So, to recap, prioritize character development by focusing on wisdom, discipline, and understanding. Encourage curiosity and critical thinking, support perseverance, and foster empathy and respect. By doing so, you'll help your students build a strong foundation for their personal and academic success. Thank you for joining me in this important journey. Remember, as educators, you have the power to shape not just minds, but hearts. Let's make a difference, one student at a time. See you in the next lesson.